Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. This is Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning, friends. Friends, I have taught you till type 7 of active and passive voice. In this session, I am going to start teaching you type 8. So friends, see type 8. First of all, I would like to tell you something about imperative sentences. Thereafter, I will start discussing with you the sentences in active voice and passive voice related to imperative sentences. A sentence which expresses some order or command, request or advice is called an imperative sentence. In an imperative sentence, the subject is often understood. The subject is often understood means ऐसे वाक्य में सब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग लिख कर नहीं किया जाता है, उसका आशय छिपा हुआ रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी से ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ, तो ऐसे वाक्य में सब्जेक्ट हिडन है या अंडरस्टूड है, अनएक्सप्रेस्ड है बाय इन रिटन फॉर्म, मतलब लिखे हुए रूप में सब्जेक्ट अनएक्सप्रेस्ड है. इस वाक्य में सब्जेक्ट यू अंडरस्टूड है. हम सेकेंड पर्सन को कहते हैं कुछ करने के लिए. सो द सब्जेक्ट यू इज अंडरस्टूड इन सच सेंटेंसेज. यदि हम कहते हैं किसी को थैंक यू, आपको धन्यवाद, इन सच अ सेंटेंस द सब्जेक्ट आई इज अंडरस्टूड. ऐसे वाक्य में आई अंडरस्टूड होता है. इफ वी से टेक मेडिसिन इन टाइम, समय से कुछ पहले दवा लो, मतलब 1-2 मिनट पहले, लेकिन 1-2 मिनट बाद नहीं. टेक मेडिसिन इन टाइम. प्लीज ओपन द डोर. यहाँ टेक मेडिसिन इन टाइम क्या है? एक एडवाइस है. इसके द्वारा हम किसी को सलाह देते हैं, और डॉक्टर जो है पेशेंट को सलाह देता है. टेक मेडिसिन इन टाइम. टेक सम ब्रेकफास्ट बिफोर टेकिंग मेडिसिन, मतलब मेडिसिन लेने से पहले कुछ नाश्ता कर लीजिए, तो ये भी एक सलाह है. और कहते हैं प्लीज ओपन द डोर, यह एक रिक्वेस्ट है, कृपया दरवाज़ा खोल दीजिए. प्लीज ओपन द डोर. यहाँ प्लीज के प्रयोग हो जाने से सेंटेंस रिक्वेस्ट में चेंज हो जाता है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज an imperative sentence. If we have to change the imperative sentences into negative form, we use don't in the beginning of the sentence. अगर सेंटेंस को निगेटिव फॉर्म में चेंज करना हो तो हम लोग उसके पहले डोंट का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर को निगेटिव में चेंज करना होगा तो हम लोग ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर के पहले डोंट का प्रयोग करेंगे, और इसलिए सेंटेंस होगा डोंट ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, मतलब एक गिलास पानी मत लाओ. डोंट ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. डोंट ओपन द डोर. प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी. प्लीज डोंट हेल्प मी. आई कैन हेल्प माई सेल्फ. कृपया मेरी मदद मत करो, मैं खुद की मदद कर सकता हूँ. प्लीज डोंट हेल्प मी. प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी. काइंडली डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी. काइंडली डोंट सीट ऑन माई चेयर. तो ऐसे वाक्य जो प्लीज या काइंडली से शुरू होते हों उनको रिक्वेस्ट कहते हैं, और इस केस में हम लोग डोंट का प्रयोग प्लीज या काइंडली के बाद करते हैं और सेंटेंस के पहले, मतलब प्लीज या काइंडली के बाद, और जो सेंटेंस है प्लीज और काइंडली को छोड़कर जो सेंटेंस का भाग बच जाता है, उन दोनों के बीच में हम लोग डोंट का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे काइंडली ओपन द डोर, यहाँ 2 पार्ट है, एक काइंडली है और दूसरा ओपन द डोर. तो इन दोनों के बीच में डोंट का प्रयोग कर देने से हो जाएगा काइंडली डोंट ओपन द डोर, एंड द सेंटेंस विल बी नेगेटिव. So I think you must have understood what are imperative sentences, and how to change them into negative forms. Actually, both are imperative sentences, either in affirmative forms or negative forms. Both are imperative sentences. Okay, friends, now I am going to teach you how to change such sentences given in active voice into passive voice. ऐसे वाक्य अगर एक्टिव वॉइस में दिए हों तो हम लोग इन्हें कैसे पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे, इस चीज को हम लोग सीखने जा रहे हैं. द फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला इन एक्टिव वॉइस अंडर टाइप 8 इज 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1 is used to make a positive or affirmative order or command, or positive or affirmative advice. The passive voice of such a sentence under the structure formula V1 plus object is structured as let plus object plus B plus V3. The example under the first structure formula is bring a glass of water. एक गिलास पानी लाइए या एक गिलास पानी लाओ. Generally we order our youngsters to do some work. So it is an order, and its passive voice is, we can see that a glass of water is the object in this sentence in active voice. So we will take this as the object, and so the sentence in passive voice is let a glass of water be brought. मतलब एक गिलास पानी लाया जाए. Let a glass of water be brought means एक गिलास पानी लाया जाए. Friends, with the same structure formula, we can give advice to others. So here we will write the same structure formula, and here we will write advice. V1 plus object as advice. Friends, the structure formula in passive voice to denote advice is object subject plus should plus B plus V3. Take medicine in time. समय के कुछ पहले दबा लो. In time is generally used to denote a few moments before time. So in case of taking medicine, we generally use in time. Take medicine in time. समय के थोड़ा पहले दबा लो या समय के भीतर दबा लो. And its passive voice is medicine and its passive voice is medicine should be taken in time. समय के भीतर दवा लिया जाना चाहिए. Friends, now you can take its screenshot. Friends, now I am going to discuss with you the third structure formula under type 8 to denote a request in active voice and passive voice. The structure formula, that is the third structure formula under type 8, is please oblique kindly plus V1 plus object. Friends, the structure formula in passive voice is U plus R plus requested plus 2 plus V1 plus object. The sentence under the third structure formula in active voice is please bring me a glass of water. कृपया मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाइए. Here we are requesting with the use of this sentence, we are requesting. You are requested to bring me a glass of water. मतलब आपको मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाने के लिए आग्रह है. You are requested to bring me a glass of water. Kindly shut the door. कृपया दरवाज़ा बंद कर दीजिए. Kindly shut the door. Now you can take its screenshot. There are some sentences in active voice denoting order which start with late. Here we will learn how to change such sentences into passive voice under structure formula 4. Here the structure formula in active voice is late plus object 1 plus V1 plus object 2, and the structure formula in passive voice is late plus object 2 plus B plus V3 plus by plus object 1, which is used as the agent. Here object 1 is used as the agent. The first example under the fourth structure formula is let him switch on the bulb. Let him switch on the bulb. उसे बल्ब को स्विच ऑन करने दो. And the sentence in passive voice is let the bulb be switched on by him. उसके द्वारा बल्ब को स्विच ऑन होने दिया जाए. Second example under the fourth structure formula of type 8 is let her cook food. उसे खाना बनाने दो. And the sentence in passive voice is let food be cooked by her. यानी उसके द्वारा खाना बनाने दिया जाए. Now you can take its screenshot. Now I am going to teach you structure formula 5. Here in the structure formula 5, let plus us plus V1, the verb V1 is an intransitive verb. It does not have any object. So now we will learn how to change a sentence given under such a structure formula into passive voice. And the structure formula in passive voice is it plus is plus suggested plus that plus V plus should plus V1. The first example under the fifth structure formula is let us dance together. हम लोग एक साथ नाचें. It is suggested that we should dance together is the passive voice of this sentence. Let us go there is the second example in active voice under the fifth structure formula of type 8. Let us go there. हम लोग वहाँ चलें. It is suggested that we should go there. Now you can take its screenshot. Now we will learn structure formula 6 under which we will learn if the verb is intransitive and it gives some advice. How shall we change it into passive voice? Here the sixth structure formula is V1 plus other words. If we use only V1 then also it will be a type of sentence. For example, go, come, sleep. These type of verbs are used to give instructions or to give order. So we can take or we can assume such verbs as a sentence, such verbs as sentences. We can also use some other words with such verbs. Here verb 1 is an intransitive verb. In this case the structure formula in passive voice is U plus R plus advised plus 2 plus V1 plus other words. The first example under the sixth structure formula of type 8 is गेट अप बिफोर सनराइज. यानी सूर्योदय के पहले उठ जाइए. इट इज जस्ट an advice, and the passive voice of this sentence is you are advised to get up before sunrise. Second example under the sixth structure formula in active voice is keep silent. You are advised to keep silent. Now you can take its screenshot. We have already discussed with you that the same structure formula in active voice is used to denote order as well as advice. So now if we take the same structure formula as order, we take the structure formula V1 plus other words to denote an order in active voice, its passive voice structure formula will be U plus R plus ordered plus 2 plus V1 plus other words. For example, go there soon. वहाँ शीघ्र जाओ. Its passive voice will be you are ordered to go there soon. Second example is stand up on the bench. Bench पर खड़े हो जाओ. And its passive voice will be you are ordered to stand up on the bench. Now I am going to discuss with you how to change sentences in active voice denoting negative, which are in negative forms in imperative sentences, into passive voice. It means how shall change imperative sentences into passive voice if they are negatives. So first of all, take its screenshot. Friends, now I am going to discuss with you how to make negatives in imperative sentences and how to change them into passive voice. In case of advice and order, we use this structure formula including an object, and its passive voice structure formula is let plus object plus not plus b plus v3. के लिए एक ग्लास पानी मत लाओ. Don't bring a glass of water for me. Its passive voice is let a glass of water not be brought for me. Eighth structure formula in active voice is oblique kindly plus don't plus v1 plus object oblique other word. Its passive voice structure formula is u plus r plus requested plus not plus 2 plus v1 plus object oblique other word. First example under the eighth structure formula is please don't sit on my chair. कृपया मेरे कुर्सी पर मत बैठिए. Its passive voice is you are requested not to sit on my chair. Now you can take its screenshot. Next example under the eighth structure formula is kindly don't open the door. कृपया कर दरवाजा मत खोलिए. And its passive voice is you are requested not to open the door. आपसे आग्रह है कि दरवाजा ना खोला जाए. Ninth structure formula is let plus object plus not plus v1 plus object. Here in the ninth structure formula, the first object is the object 1 and the second object is the object 2. And in its passive voice structure formula, we will take the object 2 first after let, and at last we will take object 1 after by as agent. For example, let him not open the window. Let him not open the window means उसे खिड़की मत खोलने दीजिए या उसे खिड़की मत खोलने दो. And its passive voice is let the window not be opened by him. It means उसके द्वारा खिड़की नहीं खोलने दिया जाए. So friends, now you can take its screenshot. And with this structure formula of type 8 along with a few examples, I am ending this session. If you like this session, don't forget to like it, comment it and share it to your friends. and also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.